I give you all my blessing. I don't have much to say, but just wish you bright future for tomorrow and forever.
Blessed marriage it is. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, the congratulation messages are pouring in for uTumi guys, ugogo ke uSkhutheni. Uveze ukuthi kuleli viki ke kade zolotsholwa basebemfana engagement ring, but akasikhombisanga ke uSibari. Bathi ke abantu lapha ku social media ay banembono eyahlukahlukene ke, bathi nje uTumi ujwayele uqamba manga, akuyona into abayiqalayo ukuthi nje aqamba manga, so they don't believe her. And recently kwi life yakhe on social media uke wathi kuleli viki uzobe ke eyokhumula inzilo noma ke uzobe yogeza something like that guys. So boom, uTumi usefake itshali emahlombe, usethi ubekade shada engagement, but this one for a content she can do anything, she can say anything. Guys, you can remember ukuthi ke uTumi wake wathi eku reality show wathi ufuna ke umnyeni wesibili ufunwa idlozi. So like she can lie, yena nje unakho ukuthi vele asukele ke aqamba manga. She recently get back with bathubani indoda yakhe leya uMondi after kushona ke kaMondi Junior. So nje after a minute selotsholiwe useyashada guys, mina angisayikholelwa ngampela ke indaba kaTumi, but I don't know ukuthi uthini ke umbono wakho ke ngaludaba, kodwa nje hayi angimethembi ngampela this one for a content she can say anything and yenze. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.